The tripod one.
I'm not buying, I'm just looking something.
Yes, that na.
No.
Okay, what's the first step? I already forgot.
Enough money.
Been like 25 years. 25 years. That's one day. We'll make the smallest one first. Smallest one, we're gonna be, this one is the handle. And this one for the, what's it called? The body part. Okay. Nothing that we're gonna waste this one. We cut this one first. Put this one here. Do this slowly but surely. Yes, Andre, katanya, you can come here, anak ko. You want to see? Hmm? I'm not shy. See, hello, hi. I'm making that bamboo toy gun for Kuya Botbot,
Okay.
so that he can experience also the one we experienced when we are young. Like 25 years since I make like this. Now again I'm making. I don't know if I still can make it. I was like 10 years old, 9 years old. See, good. And this part will be the handle. Gonna cut till here. That's good. Yeah. Sorry for the workshop, because in the 3D workshop it's our house. Small, humble house. Mga mansyon. Kubo-kubo. Kubo-kubo ako na da. Sus, labangking mati. Yung lagari kami, nalakang lagari. Padala ko din ang tools ko. Oo, namin katutok tools. Okay. Now this is the handle, and we can put some stick here, and we'll go inside here and put the paper, wet paper. That. And I only will make only one for the one taking the video. Ada nakasimbang. Okay, wait.
What happened to you?
Okay, almost. The hard part is making the stick in the middle to push the paper or the bullet. So it's just easy, just cut. Okay. Uy, more. See? Now almost halfway. Yes. You can make it straight as you can. That is. See? That one is good for finish.
You're not talking, that means you're shy.
I'm talking naman, anak ko. I'm not shy naman, I'm talking. You are shy, more shy because you're not here. Now we're gonna make the stick. The one will push the bullet and coming from here. I'll show you later, guys. This one is a little bit hard to cut. It's gonna cause noise. Okay, be careful. You cut your finger. Don't try this at home. Okay, yeah, good. Little bit tough. And then, hello. Say hello. You can sit down there, anak ko. Yes, you can sit down there if you like and see. But don't touch the knife or kanon. Ayan. Kaya nata. Yes, nilagyan mo. Hop, hop, hop. Be careful, Rakon. Okay. Okay, more. So you can make a stick, circle, or round. As long as you can make it more round to go inside the bamboo. Yes, like this. So it's not yet done. Long way to go. Now the important thing, you make the stick. The one for this one, you need to please put the gap here. Like at least a small one, like the size of the bullet you're gonna use.
How
Something like this.
this one?
This one will be like that.
That one you can listen so you know.
Yes. Okay. Now make it more nicer and can fit going inside. Yes. Okay. Put that from here. Yeah. Oops, be careful na ako knife, okay? Be careful, be careful. So, that's one.
That's so funny.
I'm so funny? Why I'm so funny, anak ko? No. I'm not funny.
I'm talking about after this one.
That bamboo is funny?
Yeah.
Why? Why the bamboo is funny?
Because need to be more cleaner and more soft.
And also, we're gonna take video to our cameraman. Hello. See, continue na ako. Okay, the next one. I forgot this one. What's this one? Yeah. Here, we're gonna make. Natsuni rin na ako in the con. Natsuni rin. Little bit far na ako. Injure. Now, time to make it little bit. Careful. 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 That. When I was young, I've been cut, I've been hurt a lot. That's why it's impossible to hurt myself now. But still, a lot of get a chance. Still a lot of chance to hurt yourself. So be careful. Even though you're used to it. Especially for me, it's been like 25 years I'm not doing this one. I want only to show my children how to make, and I want to share the experience I had before. Like the toys that we used to play, even we don't need to buy. We make our own toys before. Yep, almost
It also puts something.
for something.
Yeah, my
Now we're gonna use the cutter. It's easy to
Why is the
use
bamboo
like this.
wet? Why
Hmm?
is the bamboo wet?
It's not that anak ko is still good. I see. Where's the sign?
How do you do that?
Like it's not dry.
I want to see.
It's dangerous anak ko. Good pa ko do. It's okay. Yes. Shoot to the other here. Yes. Yeah. It's playing, right? Yeah. So also my handsome face here. Okay, it's not, I'm not handsome.
Yeah, handsome.
Thank you. or you just force only because I said I'm not handsome and I get angry like that? Am I handsome?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah. If you laugh, you're handsome. Yeah.
I'm always laughing there. That's
If
it.
you're happy, also handsome. Ah!
I'm handsome if I'm happy, but if angry, monster.
Yeah. Monster? You know you're ugly.
If I'm angry, I'm ugly.
Yeah, no,
Don't
you're
make me,
ugly.
don't make me angry kasi so that I will not become ugly.
What's that?
It's very big the hole, that's why I think it's gonna work. It's okay. It's gonna work, but we need to put a lot of bullet, meaning wet paper. Wet paper. God. Not paper.
Food. Yes.
Oh no, it's working. Your gun is working. Can you show to them that your gun? Shoot them, shoot to kuya. Shoot to kuya. Yes.
Half only.
And then not so near to me, anak ko. I'm holding the knife. I almost pan yun
It's
there.
almost done.
Almost,
my,
anak ko.
my gun is only pump because I like that.
It's in the hardest part. The stick. Last time we make anak Andre. Please don't go near here. It's dangerous. Oh la la. This one for Natanya first, okay? The last one is for Yambut.
And the last one.
Because the last one is actually the more better. You know why? You know why? Later on, you will know. Okay? But it's very hard to make it not perfect, but a little bit.
Oh yay!
It's very thick. Very thick, the stick.
Of the green side. I want the green. Ah!
Let's take short. We try. But we can make it more circle.
Ooh.
Now someone is excited. The cameraman. Yes, we're gonna see this one. But this is dangerous, okay? Don't use to each other, or else I put you. One. It's fun, but it's dangerous to make and it's dangerous to play. Okay, this is trial. Still have, I think we can make it. We can make how many more? 3 out of this. 3 for this.
1, 2,
Yes, 3.
1 million.
3 bamboo toy gun. Now
3, 1
we
million
can
and
make it,
2,000.
stick it here. Yes. Then you put like this. Pak, 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 pak. That.
Ooh, I like
But you need
that.
to make it
Ooh, I
stable.
like
Put
that.
something like this. Are you sure? You can use all these things here. Put inside the handle.
Let's
Yes.
check it out.
Put it inside the handle. Handle. Yes.
7, 8, 9.
You can dance also, anak ko, so that we have some entertainment while doing this boring game. Maybe someone will be bored. I'm bored. Said, so, come on and dance also here, Natanya.
What?
Dance also there so that you will not be bored. Our viewers. Huh?
I like you viewers.
What?
Like it.
I like you viewers.
You like your viewers? That's why.
I like you viewers.
Viewers, you dance so that they will not be bored.
Wait.
You're dirty
You
hot.
make it a little bit like this, anak. Yes.
I want this one.
Wow, no good.
Ah, yes, good. Can I have this?
Ang kapalabot na.
Naglawa mo na yung
But then, you like watermelon?
Awan makita mi nga ako. Dapat lang gibasid lang nga talaga. Awan
Hey
makita.
guys, you want
Hawaiian dami
watermelon?
yata?
Hey guys, you
Ah.
like
Hawaiian.
watermelon?
Hanga di ba yung basta
Watermelon jelly for you. Cold.
Yes. We can make it little bit straight, but I know it cannot be perfect, but as long as it's good to see.
Yummy, my favorite food
Bended
is
or-
watermelon. Look at
Watermelon?
you wanted,
Wow, you
guys.
are vlogging eating watermelon, not the bamboo toy gun.
Look guys,
No.
it's watermelon. You like?
You're making now the... Tingnan na. You're making now the vlog about the watermelon. Not about our bamboo toy gun.
Yeah, both.
So both. Oh, yung video na kasi we are making both daw. Vlog about watermelon and vlog about the bamboo toy gun. That's what you said.
Mommy is my favorite
Yeah.
watermelon.
Yes, watermelon is your favorite. How about our cameraman? Will not talk?
You are shy.
Yes, he is shy.
Yeah, I was
Oh my
shy.
God.
Only me and Papa and Kuya didn't.
Talking,
not
right?
shy.
Yes. Okay, almost.
Yummy, watermelon. Grandma's watermelon still there, you want? Guys, if you want more watermelon, just get.
If you want watermelon, subscribe and like that? Oh my God, then a lot of...
Yeah, this one like Martin and also.
Not so nigger to me, anak ko, ang holding na kataron.
If you are not subscribed, ko na lang.
Yan ba?
This one to your face, ko na.
Sino?
Nilito niya.
Oh my God, you're so rude. If they will not subscribe, you put this button in the face.
Ano yung nakatikaw na nabasa sila eh. Guys, if you don't like to subscribe, I will put you this on your face.
I like that kind of niya.
I don't say like that.
Nobody will subscribe you. I like that.
I will show you later.
You're threatening them.
Patak pa yung niya plug gaan.
Oh my God.
Pag yung materials.
Wood.
If you don't like to subscribe,
Okay, yes guys, this is our finished product. Pop, 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 pop. And then, we try. Was too... What happened? What happened?
too wide.
No, not too wide. Should we have this gap? Yeah. Should put cut.
I will put this
Yeah, like that.
Ooh, my favorite.
Then we need to cut.
Watermelon. So cool.
It, how,
Yeah, me too.
we need
My
to cut
favorite
this
watermelon
part.
also.
like less little bit here. Okay, now we're gonna cut that. Yes.
Papa, you want watermelon?
Sige na, wait, thank you.
Let's go.
Okay, la la la.
And I.
Okay, okay.
Me too.
Oh my God. Oh, other way around. Yes. Okay. Prepare now the bullet.
Bullet is only paper.
Which one bullet? This one I can use, anak ka? Okay.
Who's that? Mine.
Just stay on there.
Yay. Because that's up.
Alright. Tulog sa pa.
Sorry.
Okay. Now,
God.
this is the bullet. Paper, just paper. Wait. Paper. We're gonna try. Which one we're gonna hit?
A balloon.
Balloon? Give me the balloon, the pink balloon na tanya. There, yes, thank you.
A yellow balloon.
The pink, sige. Yes.
Oh my God.
Thank you. We'll put it here.
No, the laptop.
It's okay. It's very near. And yes, now we put the one paper here. Yes. One first. Please put one more. First one is put two. Only for the for when we are young, we could do like this. Then we look at our enemy. Yes, I still remember how it works.
Do we remember the
Yeah, when we are young, we do like this. Yes, and then push until here. That. And then, this is the last bullet we're gonna put, and it will work. Probably will work. I hope so. If not, the hole is really big. Yeah. Push. Push. Yes. And then up. Now we can try to. Try. Whoa! You saw that? It worked. Yay! Say bye na. Say bye. Bye guys. Yay! Bye. Close na. Wait.